Ni gonde abich kowuok kuom jatugo Michael Olunga, Ryan Ogam kaachiel gi Collins Chichenje omiyo tim mar Harambee Stars loch e kindgi gi tim mar Seychelles, tugo mane obagi alap ma Moi Stadium Kasarani. Kenya omako thuolo mar 4 e chung' mar timbe e grup mar F.
The Kenyans have cracked the Seychelles back door here. Well, for Coach Benny McCarthy will applaud the attempts and applauders of fans, that is the Kenyan fans. Oh, here's the ball that was then played into the far post. Oh, the Kenyans are knocking. The Kenyans are scoring. Oh, beautiful flight of the ball. The Kenyans. Can we see a third goal in this instance? Chips it over. Oh, denied by the crossbar. The follow-up gets them a goal. Oh, the Kenyans are having a good time in the final third. Time, that is. So Michael Olunga. Ooh. That was powerful. Keeper went the right direction.